5 holistic methods to enhance vision naturally. Ready to see the world through healthier and sharper eyes? I want to share my top 5 strategies for enhancing vision without the need for glasses or invasive procedures. Don't miss out on this eye-opening journey. I've enhanced my vision naturally after alleviating spasms of accommodation without eyeglasses or surgeries. Here are 5 holistic methods that can help to enhance your eyesight naturally. First, release eye muscle spasms. Eye muscle spasms are the main cause of vision issues like myopia. This spasm lock our eyes' ability to focus clearly at varying distances. By alleviating muscle tension, we can build the way for clearer vision and enhance eye health. Second, embrace conscious rest. In today's digital age, our eye endurance is very weak. We're getting relentless strain from constant screen exposure. Introduce moment of conscious rest into your daily routine by closing your eyes for a mini vacation of 10 seconds. Visualize your eye muscles relaxing, or do palming, an effective technique to soothe both the eyes and mind. Third, meditation for facial muscle relaxation. Incorporating meditation into your bedtime ritual can work really well in relaxing facial muscles, including those muscles surrounding the eyes. By drifting off to sleep in a state of a deep relaxation, you're building the way for optimal eye recovery and rejuvenation throughout the night. Fourth, master gentle blinking. Correct and gentle blinking is a simple tool in alleviating eye strain. Practice soft, regular blinks every second to provide your eyes with everything they need. This gentle blinking exercise not only eases eye fatigue but also nurtures the delicate retinal tissues. Fifth, engage in targeted eye exercises. Delve into eye workouts of specialized eye exercises designed to stretch and strengthen eye muscles. Explore eye exercises tailored to address specific vision concerns such as myopia, farsightedness, or astigmatism. Remember to prioritize relaxation before and after exercising to optimize muscle flexibility and elasticity. If you're tired from eye strain and looking to improve eye focus or aiming to protect your eyes in the digital age, our course Eyesight Academy is your getaway to healthier vision. A link in the description. By integrating these 5 holistic methods into your daily life, you can embark on a journey towards enhanced vision and eye health. Prioritize relaxation, mindfulness, and gentle exercises to nurture your eyes and unlock their full potential. Stay tuned to my channel for more insights and techniques to improve your vision naturally. Together, let's embark on this transformative journey towards clearer and sharper vision.